Hey y'all, today I'm gonna cut a couple of trees down. So we're getting ready to build a pond. We're having stuff hauled in for the pond levee, and we're gonna put a road around one end of it. So we're gonna cut a couple of trees. So today I'm gonna be cutting a couple of small trees, but I wanna show you what I'm using. I'm using a 40 volt Ryobi chainsaw. So I used to have a tree service business, and let me tell you, for a battery saw, this thing's pretty mean. So I'm going to show you in a second how it cuts on a battery saw or any kind of saw. You got to keep the chain sharp. But follow with me. I'm going to show you. We're going to cut this little hickory tree down, and then I got to trim this stump down. So we're going to come right through here with a driveway and a road. But check it out. This is where our pond's going to be. The road's going to come down, and it's going to tie in. Going to tie in right here and go across, and these two hills are going to meet up, and everything you see back to your right there is going to be a pond in the near future. So check it out right here. We're going to cut this tree down real quick. So no earplugs are required on this one, and let's see, we're going to see which way it's going to fall. So we're going to go, I'm going to say it's going to go that way right there. Told you it was mean. Bad to the bone, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. So this is going to be the making of our pond.
We're about to have to take down another tree to work on the levee.
All right, what I need you to do is put it in
for the pond that we're putting in. There's the mini excavator. Now look how tall this tree is. It just keeps going and going and going and going.
Go, Tony!
The only thing I need you to do for me is make a picture of tea. All right, y'all, so this is my first time ever building a pond, but with some help from a couple of my relatives, hauling in loads of good solid stuff to make the levee, we got started, and it didn't take long for things to start shaping up. Still had a few trees left to cut, but I was really starting to see the shape of the pond and realizing there's still a lot more trees to come down, but I was blessed with a lot of help. Almost the whole family got involved, and that made it a lot more fun. About halfway through cutting trees, about halfway done with the levee. So I'd say this is about the midway point of the pond. Got the kayak ready to go when the water comes. We gave away firewood, some big old saw logs. Man, I bet we had 50 trees we had to cut down. Once we got some of these trees cut down and out of the way, that old rain showed up. I'm talking about 5 to 6 inches overnight. Water got up plumb over the levee. It was so much that it washed part of the levee out. I just wasn't ready. But y'all stay tuned for part 2. We're going to break out the big toys and repair that levee and start digging.